The moment you stop living as the person who already has your desire, you give your old reality permission to return. Your circumstances do not decide who you are, your assumptions do. If you keep stepping into your desired state for a few minutes, only to abandon it the moment the 3D world looks different, you aren't persisting. You are just rehearsing your old life. Today, we are going to learn how to stop trying to reach your desired state and instead how to make it the permanent home from which you live. 2. Thinking from versus thinking about. Most people keep their desires at a distance because they think about them instead of thinking from them. When you think about something, you place it outside yourself. You become the anxious observer waiting for it to arrive. You say things like, "I wish someone would love me," or "When will I finally make more money?" But when you think from your desired state, you mentally occupy the position of the person who already possesses it. You no longer ask when it's going to happen. Your inner conversation naturally becomes, "This is my life now." You don't need to force a dramatic emotional performance. You just need to let yourself experience the quiet, ordinary familiarity of having your wish fulfilled. 3. Handling the 3D world and old doubts. What happens when an unexpected bill arrives, or someone doesn't text you back and the old story screams that nothing has changed? That reaction is the trap. If you accept that temporary circumstance as your permanent identity, you drop right back into the state of struggle. Instead, recognize the circumstance without letting it define you. Pause and ask yourself, what would I think if I were already the person I decided to be? Doubt is just a thought, and you do not have to obey every idea that enters your mind. When doubt appears, do not panic or fight it. Simply turn away and gently return to your new assumption. With repetition, this return stops feeling like hard work and starts feeling like coming home. Your imagination is not just escapism or fantasy, it is your private rehearsal space. Before physical evidence ever shows up in your physical world, you can experience your reality internally. Close your eyes and hear someone congratulating you. Feel the relief of financial security, or sense the absolute peace of being deeply loved. The more naturally you experience this reality within, the less desperate you become for immediate outer proof. You stop chasing your desire because you realize you have already become the person who holds it. Make your desired state so familiar, normal, and natural that you no longer feel the need to force it. Stop waiting for the world to give you permission to feel successful, secure, or loved. Claim it within, hold your line, and let your outer world catch up to who you already are. If this brought absolute clarity to your mind today, hit that like button, subscribe to the Stress-Free Zone, and share this video with someone who needs to hear it. Thank you for watching. Stay anchored in your new state, and I'll see you in the next video.